to the All-Ireland final of 2015. Their second All-Ireland appearance since the year of 2012. What a game! What a game of character from Galway!
We love you! We love you!
Take it up towards the Tipperary attack again. David Burke brings it to the deck. And there is Kieran Bergen. David Burke is on the ball. He needs to use this. He does. Gets it off to Joe Canning in the middle of the field. Joe Canning goes over towards Shane Maloney country. Shane Maloney has a chance. Gets it inside. He's a chance to put it over the bar. Shane Maloney high. It's over the bar. The debutante from Tina Middenary has put it over. The puck down is coming.
We love you!
Inside to Canning, overturned the Galway need to keep it there. Out come Tipperary, Porrick Maher being forced back the field. Galway lead by one. Got a long ball up the field. Daniel catches it. Magnificent, it's all over. Galway